what a nice little perch he has. Yeah, I'm taking photos of you, buddy. Look at your little cute tail. Okay, okay, I won't. I get it. Stay. Leave me alone. Stay. 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 All I did was film. That's all I did. And now look. 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 Oh my god. They're like nipping at my pants. Hey, stop it. I didn't give you any food. I don't have any food. Okay, leave me alone. And now I've got like this little tribe. Thank God I see it there. They're like little puppies though. But still, it was a little terrifying for a moment there. They're kind of like pulling at my pants. like pulling at my pants and jumping on me. Okay, this must be it. Hey there all you girl travelers. Today we are exploring Boda and we are gonna hit some of the must-try foods of this area.
Because of Tibetan influences, Boda has some distinct flavor that you might not find around the city. My search takes me to Pulbari Street, a popular street for foodies.
Wow, I'm still feeling it. I feel like I could belch up a garlic. That was good. So on to the next dish, which is gonna be tenduk. This is Sky Cafe. I don't know about that. I'm not sure if I'm going in the right direction. This looks very residential-ish. I don't know. This is like lostness. I'm going deeper and deeper into like lost. It's like residential areas already. See you way down there. Okay, let's try this again. I've been assured that that restaurant, that cafe is down here to the left. Sky Cafe can be a little confusing to find because you'll come down here and you'll see like a residential area, but it's actually this alley right here. Oh, welcome to Sky Cafe. Everything might not be good. It's kind of like a hip place. It's like a hookah bar. Hookah bar with food. I wonder if we have to like rent the rooms. Look at this place. Okay, that's got my name written on it. You can have your own little spot.
This in fried.
Oh, okay. So I wasn't sure which tenduk to have, but he says the special, the fried tenduk. That sounds interesting. And I'll have the veg. Yeah. I'm charging my phone because all that Google mapping just drained it more than Instagram stories does. This place was recommended for its tenduk. So it's kind of supposed to be like more noodles, and they offer a soup version and a fried version. I ordered the fried version, which looks like they're special. I think everything's starting to fill me up right now. Look at this place. This place has got atmosphere. You almost have like, it's almost like a party place. Dhanyavad. I even ordered some tea to kind of like settle my stomach because I'm starting to feel a little full. But after the tukpa and the laughing, this tenduk I think is gonna fill me up. So I don't know, I'm gonna have to jog around like Bodhanath Stupa. So far, every dish I've tried has kind of like averaged at the bottom like about 100 rupees, which is about $1 US. So that's kind of like the cost of a snack or a meal here in Nepal. Thank you. Oh wow, that looks incredible. Oh, oh, thank you. I ordered a veg tenduk, but you can also order just like meat tenduk, like buff tenduk or chicken. Being in Nepal, in Kathmandu, the popular one is going to be buff. So when I ordered like the veg, the waiter was just kind of like, Wow. This is fried tenduk. The noodles are just really thick and fat. But there's a lot of veggies on this plate too. Potatoes right here, chili pepper. You've got some red onions, Chinese cabbage. Oh, look at the steam coming out from it. It's just freshly fried. This is one of the dishes. It's kind of like a variant of tukpa. So the noodles here, you notice, are like really thick. Wow, look at this. Ooh, look at that. It's like all clumped together. Wow, it's a thick, fat noodle, huh? I crunched on something. There's a lot of flavor in here. Just immediately off the bat, it's just like spread through my mouth. It's really good. And there's some soy product here. Kind of like looks like tofu. The one thing that I'm really tasting is just like the flavor. It's got a soy taste to it, or a soy sauce taste. A little bit of saltiness to it. So this kind of noodle is actually popular in fall and winter. I'm not a huge noodle freak, I'm really not. But a lot of these noodles have like their own flavor. Like, I really wish you could taste this. Right now I'm eating somewhat lavishly. I have a huge table to myself. I could just sprawl. So the top 3 must-try dishes of Bauda. So far, I've hit the top.
If you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, give it a share, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe for more of my solo travel adventures as I take you inside and knock off my bucket lists of travel. Leave your comment down below and let me know what you think of my video. Above all, may the grr be with you.